Kamusta po kayong lahat? Well, thank you for being here. Yes, my name is Echo. Ito po ang bagong Homer collection from 2010. Yes, I'm here to sing a few songs for you guys. Is that okay? Cool? Game, let's do it.
Something about you, baby, I don't know. Isn't it amazing a man like me can feel this way? Tell me how much longer it can grow stronger every day. I'm sure that I won't forget. Now that my stars, you are. Set out and break my heart. Isn't it amazing a man like me can't feel this way? Tell me how much longer it can grow stronger every day. Something about you, baby. Something about you, baby. I see your smile as it looks. I know just the way you are. You're so much longer. You make me feel this way. It's getting stronger, but it's stronger.
Thank you so much, everyone. That was one song from my album called Change. That was the new version ko ng Smiling Face. I'm supposed to go now, but do you want one more song? You sure? Okay, I'm gonna sing an original song. Something na pinopromote namin madalas kapag may mga mall shows kami. I'm sure narinig niyo na ito sa radyo at nakita niyo na yung music video na ito sa Mix. Since February pa naman, bagay pa ito sa buwan ng mga puso. So this song is all about love. It's a Tagalog song. You can sing along to it if you like. And this one's called Pusong Ligaw. Thanks for you guys.
Ikaw ang mine.
Thank you very much. Thanks to Walker. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat for being here. Wow. DJ Laila, na-miss kita. Ha?
Gold na ba?
That was Pusong Ligaw sa Nagulang.
Crush, marami na-miss talaga. Alam mo, tawagan talaga namin ni Echo Crush kasi close na kami to each other. Sobra talaga.
How are you?
Okay lang. Sorry kayo! Maingit kayong lahat! Excuse me. Okay, sa kamusta naman, Crush?
Okay lang,
Oo,
Crush.
syempre yung pusong ligaw dito galing yan sa bonggang
Yan sa album ko na change. Yeah.
Oo. And you know what? Kasi di ba you said kanina yung mix, kasi di ba napapanood na yung video mo ng pusong ligaw sa mix. I also told them kanina, earlier on talaga, na panood sila ng radio mix kasi kami naman yung feature DJ doon. And ang first song namin talagang ikaw, pusong ligaw. Eh, kinamata ka Charos. Oh, di ba? Ikaw ang unang video na in-introduce namin.
Thank you.
And
Talaga?
from,
Ano ba namin next day?
ay, sorry naman. Si Bella, ite-text ka. Huwag ka na lang. Si Bella, ay crush talaga si Echo. Diba? At alam mo ba, she said na pag magkakaroon ng pelikula, gusto niya love triangle. Ikaw, siya, at si Jason. Oh, gusto mo yun. Diba? Ikaw yung other man.
Ako yung
Why
third
not?
man. Ako yung
Oh,
third man.
syempre ito, total nandito na rin lang silang lahat, diba?
Yep, okay, of course, aside from
Walker.
na maraming bagong collections ngayon from 2010.
Ay, ang bubongga.
From boxer shorts to undershirts to tank tops and lahat, briefs na. I have a new thing. This is called Change. This is my new album from Star Records. Yung dalawang kinanta ko kanina kasama yun, Smiling Face and Pusong Ligaw. So, I hope you get a copy of it.
At walang tapon talaga yung songs mo. Parati ko sinasabi to kay Echo, tsaka sa mga ngayon lang natin nakita dito sa SM Annex. Parati ko sinasabi kay Echo, yung album niya nasa iPhone ko. Oh!
Hindi pa pinaparinig sa akin eh. But I would like to thank Walker for supporting this album also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ito